You've got to stop paying your landlord's mortgage. Oh my gosh, every time you write a check for rent, it's like burning money. We're going to tell you in just a moment how to get a special free industry report, 6 little known techniques that can help you buy your first home. And I'm going to give you 2 of them right now. First, there are government loan programs with low interest rates, low down payment rates that can help you get into a home and stop renting. Also, did you know that your lender may be able to help you with closing costs and down payment? We have our preferred lender that has those programs. So stop paying your landlord's mortgage. Now for that free report. 6 little known tips to help you get and buy your first home. Just give us a call, text me 832-721-0442. I'll get the report right out to you. No cost, no obligation. And if you like this information, please share it with a friend and click like. We want to thank you very much for watching today. My name is Gary Evans of Evans Realty Group. And if there's anything we can do, if you know someone that might be wanting to buy or sell real estate, please reach out to us and give us a call. Hope everybody has a great day, and thanks again for watching.